Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw TRX from Arculus Wallet to Exmo in 2025. If you're holding TRX and want to move it to your Exmo account for trading or storage, this guide will make it simple and stress-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Arculus Wallet app installed on your device and that your TRX is securely stored there. You'll also need an Exmo account set up with a verified TRX wallet address. Double-check that before we start, as accuracy is key to avoid any mishaps. Step 1. Open your Arculus Wallet app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and select the TRX asset from your list of holdings. It's usually front and center for easy access. Next, look for the Withdraw or Send option. Tap on that to begin the process. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address, so copy and paste your Exmo TRX deposit address carefully. Remember, TRX transactions typically use the Tron network, so ensure that's selected to keep things smooth. Now, enter the amount of TRX you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any network fees. They can vary, so check them before confirming. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric verification. After that, sit tight. Transactions on the Tron network are usually fast, but it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours depending on network congestion. Head over to your Exmo account and refresh your balance to confirm the deposit. A quick tip: always use official apps and enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your assets. If you run into any issues, like a pending transaction, reach out to Arculus or Exmo support. There you have it. That's how you withdraw TRX from Arculus Wallet to Exmo in 2025. It's easier than you think, and you're now one step closer to managing your crypto like a pro. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.